Mamelodi Sundowns players will remain central to Bafana Bafana's plans for their final 2025 Africa Cup of Nations AFCON qualifier against South Sudan. Despite the dead-rubber nature of the clash, the match is set to take place on Tuesday at Cape Town Stadium, with kickoff scheduled for 6 o'clock in the evening. With Bafana Bafana having already secured qualification to AFCON, some anticipated that Sundowns players will be rested ahead of their Carling knockout final against Magesi FC set for Saturday. However, coach Hugo Bros dismissed such suggestions, affirming that Sundown Stars remain integral to the national team's objectives. The likes of Ronwen Williams, Moto Bimvala, Kuliso Mutau, Chapelo Morena, Deboho Mokwena, Batusi Obas, Ikram Reyners, and Obrumodiba form the backbone of Process squad. Their inclusion has raised concerns for Sundowns coach Mangoba Mngesi, who has already questioned the scheduling of his team's domestic final just 4 days after Bafana Bafana's qualifier. When pressed on the matter, Bros was resolute and said, Sundowns players are the players of Bafana Bafana until the game tomorrow. He stated this during a media briefing in Cape Town on Monday. Bros also made it clear that rotation or resting key players was not on the agenda, emphasizing that the match against South Sudan is far from a friendly, and said this is a competitive game. We want to finish top of the Group K, and that's what we are fighting for with Uganda. Bafana Bafana currently lead the group with 11 points, just one ahead of Uganda, who face Congo in simultaneous fixture. Bros stressed the importance of maintaining a competitive edge and fielding his strongest lineup to secure the group's top spot, and said, I don't like taking this game as a friendly. When you start changing 6 or 7 players, it sends the wrong message to the team. We want to be first and we will try to put our best team on the pitch. While Bafana Bafana's qualification is secured, Bros's commitment to a strong finish reflects his ambitions for the team heading into next year's continental showpiece. Sundowns, however, will be hoping their stars can swiftly transition from national jersey to domestic success as they aim for Carling knockout glory this weekend. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.